Depuis que tu es à moi, Kacha. Nanazo Kacha, Banda Kumayanga. Nanazo Kacha, Kacha. Depuis que tu es à moi. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute, but you know what? I'm back, and I told myself 2019 I'm gonna be a lot better, and here I am with my first YouTube video. I have like posted already a couple Instagram one, but you know what, YouTube, I'm here for you too with that detailed video. So today I got a little bit of a, you know, spicy smoky look for you guys. I hope you guys like this look, and if you want to see how I got this finished look, keep watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting up a lot more content. If you guys have any ideas about what other type of videos you want to see me do, or any type of, you know, any other type of content you want to see, let me know and comment down below. I hope you guys like this video. Once again, bye. As you can see, I started with my Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer to just prime my eyes. I like this concealer because it just kind of gives me a good base to start off my eyeshadow with, and it's really tacky, so the eyeshadow sticks really, really well. I'm going to be blending in the top 3 colors of the Zulu palette into my crease, starting off with the yellow color, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush, and I'm blending that into my crease. I got all of these brushes off of Amazon. I will link it down in the description box below. Now I'm blending in the orange color, and I will finish off with the brown. Ne t'inquiète pas mon amour, on va vivre tous les jours comme la dernière fois. Un animal, un ami sortant comme inséparable. I'm now going to take my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia and blend in the Venetian red color into my crease with the other colors. And taking the Cypress Umber color, I'm going to pack that onto my lids. Pack, and blend that back out with the brown color from the Zulu palette. I'm just gonna take some of the antique bronze and pack a little bit of that on my lid as well for some highlight color, and I'm gonna finish it off with adding some highlight on my brow bone as well. Taking my MAC foundation, I'm going to blend this baby into my skin, and I'm using my stippling brush for this, and I love this brush, guys. It takes a bit of work, but honey, the blend, just wait on it. For my contour, I'm going to take this Ben Nye concealer palette. I've had it for a while, but I really like it because of the colors that it has, and I'm using the deepest color to just kind of give myself some contour. I'm blending that out with my Cover FX contouring brush. I don't like to blend out my nose contour until I'm blending out my highlight, and you can see I do like a messy blend. I like to use 2 concealers for my highlight, so I start with my LA Pro Girl concealer and finish it off with my Anastasia over top because it's just a bit lighter. I find the 2 of them together gives me the coverage I'm looking for. Depuis que tu es à moi, Kacha. Nanazo Kacha, Banda Kumayanga. Nanazo Kacha, Kacha. Depuis que tu es à moi, Nanazo Kacha, mama. I like to use my damp beauty blender to blend out my under eye concealer and as well as my highlight concealer, and I also blend out my contour as I'm blending out my concealer and just kind of give the overall finish like a flawless blend. Chérie, t'auras toute mon affection. Je t'aime sans me retenir. Ma place est auprès de toi. To
set my concealer, I take my Ben powder and my Laura Mercier and blend them together in the empty container. And I just kind of swoop it onto my skin. I don't really bake for the most part. I just set it quick. And I set everywhere that I highlighted. Taking a brown liner, I'm just gonna tight line my waterline. And taking that same brown shade from the Zulu palette, I'm just gonna shade underneath. To add a bit of drama to this look, I'm adding Bella to my eyes. Come through. And I'm gonna pop some highlight with that shimmery rose gold shade from the Zulu palette. Just taking the brown liner, I'm just gonna line my lips and prep them with some lipsticks. And taking the Film Noir color by MAC, I'm going to put that on my lips as a base color. I'm gonna top off that color with this shimmery gloss by Ben Cosmetics. And I'm really packing that gloss on because I want it poppin'. This is the finished look, guys. Thank you for watching this video once again. See you on my next video. Depuis que tu es à moi.